Hey there, folks. Another Monday. Another work day. Today, I will be trying to make times save, which, as you might imagine, is sort of a key feature to the entire bhop and surf experience. But it currently does not actually happen. The game does not save the times. Back to Twitch? No, I want to go back to channel. Uh-oh, am I going to hear myself? Apparently not. What's going on? Is the encoding overloaded or something? Oh, there we go. Okay, no, there we go. Now it says it's 67%. Yeah. 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 So how the hell is it gonna work? It's a name tried to tell me like some way that I could make it work, but I didn't really understand the concept. Because like it would make sense to have like a time object that represents the map mode style user time that they got, and then use that and say like, oh, I want to submit the time, or like check if it's first place, and have like member functions like that. But I keep looking at myself on my other screen. All right, well, oh. Let's go here. All right. Sublime. Hey, look, it's my disk, my LVM setup. That's how my server is set up. The Discord open? No. No, I've been in here the past couple streams. Diamond D have been telling me things. Nice shirt. It's alright. Purple's kind of cool. What's this? Wow. Okay, so I successfully switched the camera from whatever the hell I was using, Euler angles to quaternions. So that's pretty cool. Quaternions are always fun. Oh, this is garbage right here. Oops. So I should probably have like a camera set quaternion something something. Hi. Hi. Would the quaternion please step forward? Show. This is for verification, right? I wanted to like redo the verification. This makes it worse. Let's see. Okay, so I need to edit. Go away, everything. I don't need to edit all this stuff. Replication, caption camera, simulation. Okay, so the relevant script is basically just time object. And then my dude said put functions into time manipulation times manager. Oh look, I have temp time manager. Is that a server module? Yes it is. The server module. Look at that. So the record gets temp time manager and then it does stuff. So this is the verification process. It calls the verify function, and then the verify function has its own bot which acts as a runner and finishes the map and then calls all this code again, and then it checks to see if the player is a player that was being verified as a bot, and then it gives them a time. So I probably want to bypass that or fix it. I'm trolling. And then wait, this is the bot replacement. So I can make the bots separate from the times. Well, I guess I could like use the same function logic. Like it'd be better to have maybe a return value. I don't know. Let's see. I don't know. I got the temp time manager. So I'll show you what I had before. This is documents times.lua. This is the times script. So this is what's in the game right now, and this is what's in the main game. Sorry, this is what's in the test game. This is what's in the main game. So it's like there's some difference, you know. It's like, you know. Why are you recording this again? What do you mean? Oh, recoding. Do you see the code? It's like, it's not needed. I want it to be better. And the old one, it's like a giant monolithic block of code. Like this function starts here and ends here. it doesn't need to be that much code. So what I'm gonna do is, instead of having a local copy of the times, it just grabs it from the server every time. So instead of saying it looks like you're 14th place, it'll ask the server what placement did they get, and so it'll be correct every time. So instead of having like a local copy and then keeping it synchronized, it just only uses the server copy and only ever asks the server. This completely would be impossible with Roblox data stores. Published the game last week? No, I'm working. This is a work stream. I'm working. I need music. Let's try this. That's loud. So this code is basically this code. So I might have the notify separate. That's cool. So like the code that makes the notices for whatever you did. I mean, it takes all the like time string and everything. I could pass the time object, but and like the relevant information, all right, so let's see. If I have some object-oriented code, I have a manager script, and then I have a notice or player interaction. I need to make it so that you can see when your run was flagged by anti-cheat zones. Have we got that? Where's the anti-cheat zones? Could you tell me? Run manager. Alright. Does this make sense? I think it does. Because it's like... run flag. We need run flag. So I should probably only say, you had an anti-cheat zone if they're run. Well, I mean, time notices dot anti-cheat player, something like that, and then I'll have a time notices script. Wow. So this will be one notice call. This will be like time notices dot new time or something. Something like, player time object. And I can like not do that or something. So I'm gonna put this code here, be like, oh, this is a function. Oh, I don't need it to be a local function. Well, I guess I kind of do. New time map test. Player time object. So player manager, why do I need this? To set the time back to 0. Okay. Okay. This script is called time. Do I call it time notices or times notices? Time notices. Time manager. Okay, I guess I'll go with time, eh? Time notices dot lao. New room? I mean, if you haven't watched in a couple weeks, then I switched to the second bedroom instead of the master bedroom because we ripped up the carpet and stuff. Like, you can see over there, that's concrete on the floor. Can you see that? If I click, clicky, clicky, click. Yeah, you can see, like, right here. That's concrete right there. Yeah, so I just have a rug. I just have a rug on the carpet, and it's my only living space. Did the cam just flip? Yes, it did. I feel like if I have the camera on this side, it looks better if I'm like looking at what I'm doing rather than like look. Transform. Flip horizontal. Like, where am I looking? I'm just like looking somewhere else, right? It doesn't make any sense. And if I put it over on the left, then it covers the code. So I'm thinking about these things. All right, so timer, local notice timer equals notice dot timer. All right, we got those functions. Local timers, time string equals toString time object. Okay, so now we don't need this. All of this bubba. I don't know, man. Time notices dot. You can't say no. Function map complete. I don't know. Player time object. Monkey tag, huge. I've been playing Space Engineers this weekend. I spent 3 days trying to set up a Space Engineer server. I tried doing it myself manually by like looking at, or I guess it's not really manually. I just found some sort of Reddit post where they're like, first you install Steam CMD, and then you install Wine Tricks, and then you install MSVC 2017, and then you install .NET 417, and then you install MSVC 2013. And I just tried to do that, and I got it working, but there was a script error in the server while it ran, and so it just shut itself down. And that was like pulling out my hair. And then I tried a script that does everything, do everything script. I deleted it, started a new container, and then ran the script that's supposed to do everything. And it kind of had other weird problems to do with the way the script was set up and stuff. So to do that, and then I thought I should try a Docker container for it. The main issue is that Space Engineer's server doesn't actually run on Linux, on real servers. It only runs on Windows. So you have to like figure out the compatibility tools and stuff. Like it's a server. Servers run on Linux. This is just a deal. Install simulator. True. Oh man. So finally I caved and I just set up a Windows virtual machine on my server. So now I'm running Windows. It works. I think it's mostly the DX11 dependencies, DirectX dependencies. Like, why does your server depend on a GUI? It's a server. Like, if you want to control your server, use a remote GUI. But it's working. It's running. And I don't need to think about it anymore. Actually, it might be too slow. So I might need to like install VirtIO drivers and network drivers. Okay, so functions. Let's just, because these aren't going to be used in here, right? They might be actually. Local time notices equals 8 table. Time notices dot that return time notices. So the idea was to have functions in this script. I'll rename this to true time manager. So just time manager. So this will be like new time map tests or something. I don't know. So if I make this some sort of like member function, does that even make sense? I don't know, dude. Okay, so what if I also had a database? I mean, my ideas are a little bit better than the monolithic block, but All right, so I should have some sort of database. Oh my god, I'm working. Oh my god. I just like came to life inside my own brain, and I just realized I was working. Holy, oh my god. What the hell is in this, dude? Like 20 minutes ago, I was like, oh, I'm gonna have to work on times. Oh no. And now I'm like, okay, this is how times is gonna work. First, I'm gonna have the notices script, and then I'm gonna have the database interaction script, and then I'm gonna connect them with a object-oriented programming code. A public space engineer server? No, it's just a private server for my friends. That's kind of an interesting idea, though. Played Apex, and I just realized how advanced it is to learn the movements. They just ruined the movements. They took out tap strafing from the game. It's becoming a worse game. It's gonna die because of EA. So, like, EA owns the game. Like, it's not gonna last long. So, it's a miracle that they got a second wave. Time notices. Time notices. Goes obtain time notices. All right. Thinking about the it's bad. It's bad. Thinking about what I'm doing is bad. Less meta-analysis, more work. Aye, okay. Time manip. Is it time manip? Time. It's like, okay, network. Time database. Time manager. I'll just call it time man. Oh, it's right there. Oh no, that's what it's called. I want to have a separate thing that contains all of the database calls, so that they're all in one place, and it's like awesome, right? So let's make that now. This will be called db equals obtain db. This will be called time time API, I guess. Something like that. And then I'll have a bunch of functions that do stuff. Time API equals. I literally typed P and said. Okay, function. I'll have a function like time API dot upload time object. And then it does stuff, right? And then I'll have a function like time API dot get placement or something. I don't know. Get. I don't know. I'm just gonna have a bunch of functions. I don't know yet. I'll just make them as I need them. Okay. Is that what I want? Kind of. Is that what I... No. That's not gonna store it. That's just gonna be like, oh look, that's your time kind of thing. Alright, where styles. It downloaded your time. I should make it so that when you... Oh no. Oh, that's right. Ooh, I could... wait. That's kind of an interesting note, actually, is to have the run start at run clear, because then I can... Ooh. That's... Okay, this is kind of a big change. If the recording starts on run clear, then I can grab all of the simulation data that I need. I can like squoosh perfect simulation data into the recording state and then load it up instead of doing this and like trying to figure out what the simulation data is from the big ol' status. I can directly write the state into the recording. And then use that. That would be better, because right now I just kind of assume that I have lots of recording data before the recording starts. But if instead of relying on recording buffers and recording blip blop, I actually just start recording at the proper time, when I could throw out the data later. Golly gosh! I'm gonna write it down. Start recording on run clear? Write that down! Yeah, that's my number one. Oh, I was also thinking, what if I had the world timer as a child of the simulation timer? But I might need to submit world altering events to the playback timeline. Like, what if you want to, I don't know, something stupid like time travel on your map or something? Like, I don't have enough, the timers aren't robust enough to do time travel. But I was just thinking about it, being like, wow, what if I was a good programmer like the dude that made Akron, where you can literally time travel. I gotta stop thinking about that, right? I'm gonna be like, wait a second, I could actually do that, and then I'm gonna spend like a year programming it. Stop him. Okay, so this is run finish. So on run start, I could make it just actually be like, oh, nothing. Or, I mean, I should probably write some sort of data to the recording to be like, this is where the run starts. It starts right here. But it already has run start. It creates an event. I could literally have actually nothing happen. because it's already hooked from somewhere else. So literally, I just put this code right here. Where's the other run clear hook? It's in. Is it in run events? Do I? Oh no, it's in like somewhere wacky. Wow. Run state. So it looks like I don't actually hook this function to clear the priming. So what I'm thinking here is I don't actually need recording priming anymore, because like I was kind of basing it off the old system where it has a recording priming. And then I can remove all the timer buffers. Well said. Remove all the timer buffers, and then just have like on the fly everything just like happens at the right time. Why didn't I think of this? That's kind of like what needs to happen. Because if the recording, if the state starts on run clear, then I can have like a little thing appear on your HUD like, oh, you're about to start a time. Oh, what's your personal best? Oh, and then all right, is it run manager or something? Run manager. It has got to be run manager. That's in this one. Run manager. Run events. So, basically, so right now I am creating the run when the run starts. But I could create the run when the run gets cleared. I could put this. Why is... Oh, it's like that. So yeah, I could put all... Oh my god. Wait, literally all this code? Oh, I would need to set the timer to 0 and then start the timer. So this would be... Wait. We won't. Woo! I like that idea. If I do that, then... Okay, first I have to find the code that clears the priming. Where's the priming clear code? My spaghetti. Priming. Alright. This is... Oh, this is in record. Wait. Okay, where's the priming? So, basically, I could get rid of the trash global hook code. I would love to do that. So, I wouldn't need to clean the history. Let's see, where am I doing that? Where am I doing that? Is it in the simulation? Clear. No, it's in the simulation control, isn't it? Simulation control. It's like right here. Oh no, set map info. Wait. Oh yeah, there we go. So this is where I'm clearing the timelines. That's only a map change. What about... Alright, so references, change map. Nope, nope. 4, 206, 208, and 130. Set state. Zones clear. So I could copy the zones table. Why don't I? Shouldn't I copy that? Do I have L1 copy in here? Yes, I do. Why don't I copy that data? Zones state equals L1 copy self dot zones dot in zones, and then I can set. Do I local that anywhere? Local. I don't think I do. I think I grab it dynamically every time. Dot in zones equals state dot zones state. That's the only statiness of the zones, and because like if you don't need another zone enter, that might be like why it messes up in a bunch of stuff. Oh, clear future. Oh no, that's set state. Where's this function that clears it, bro? Where's the clearing function, bro? I need to find the code that cleans references. It's only right here. Where's the code that clears the timers when you clear your run? Wow. Simulation. I don't remember. Where is it, dude? I don't need it. I need to delete it. I need it deleted. Can you not move models with C-frame? What? If anyone has like a fast C-frame thing that you can move like many parts quickly, because like that's the slowest part of my game right now is C-framing everything takes ages for Roblox to complete. And I don't need any of the metadata that it generates. Except for on dynamic parts. That does need the metadata, so. But only the like awk trees for the thing. What's the thing? What was I saying? Find parts, right? In region. That's the only metadata I need for moving parts. Aye, bro. Okay. Um. All right. So where's the internal stuff then? Where I directly call. Submit run event? That's it, right? Yes. So why isn't it here? Shouldn't it be here? Wait, I clear the states on run clear? Really? Isn't that bad? Oh, no, I see. Oh. Alright, I shouldn't need this code anymore. Can I just control Z? Hey. Alright, goodbye. I don't know where the code went. There's supposed to be a little bit of code that snaps the timeline out of existence when you clear your run. And I don't know where it went. Alright, where's the global bubby? Right here. It's in record. Okay. Oh. Oh, it's right here, right? Set new first index. Clear. Oh, there it is. This is it right here. Yes, I found it. Okay. So I can delete this code. I can delete this code. Code gets smaller. Oh my god. It was right there all along. I was looking for run clear, and it's right there in front of my eyes. Alright, I don't need to do this. Okay. So now I move the code from run start to run clear. So this doesn't exist. Alright. Literally nothing happens on the run start. That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay. Oh, this actually needs to be below. So start. Yeah. So it starts recording. I think that's fine. Except I think it like equates that, so I should probably have some sort of special magic. But there's nothing anyone can do. So yeah, I could send a special packet when the run gets cleared. Where do you use lots of C-frames? Yeah, it's over here. Replication. Right here. Except it's right in position character. Is that a... No, it should be a client. Position character. So... Oh gosh, code. Ah, it's code! Alright, so, set player C-frame. Dot C-frame equals. So it runs for every single player. Ah, it's math. Runs for every single player. And it sets the C-frame of the humanoid root part for every single player. And then also in dynamic moving parts, I guess that kind of needs to go through the... Eh. Alright, so if we start the recording there, then we don't need to clear the run data, because the recording starts on clear. And then we can shorten the recording as we like. Wait a second. Uh-oh. Wait. Uh-oh. I need to wipe my nose. I'll be right back. This code. It's making more sense though than like doing other stuff and clearing the timer and stuff. It starts at the right time. Rich in quad points. Runs by player. Runs by player. Run clear. So clear. That's the old run data. We could just call it with the new run data. Shoo! So this removes it for sure. All right, let's look at the run clear find results. So run replication right here. I'm using it to clear the run state. So I could put the timestamp into the run data. So run clear. Run. So I could. I need it to be run clear and run prepare. Damn it, knows. So that makes sense, right? Because if you're standing in the start zone, the game should be ready. It should like have a little GUI set up. It should be ready to start the timer. It should say 0 on your timer. It should like pop up and be like ready to run. This is a great idea. So run clear is so it's clearing the previous data, but then I also want run prepare for a new event. And that's basically all this. It's basically run start except not. Okay, yeah, so we want to set the scale as well. Raw set scale to 0 and set the time to 0. So it's a not started timer, and in progress is false. Wait. Oh, in progress is supposed to mean finished. Let's see where that's used. Okay, it says and in progress. Okay, so it has to be started to finish. Okay, so it's only used internally in the run events right here at run finish to say that you completed the map. So it has to be in progress. So I'm going to write in progress to true when I start the run. That's fine. This is fine. Okay, so now I do run prepare. So I don't need to do this because we know that the run is cleared here. And I don't need to do... Oh no, I do need to do that. We know it's clear because we just cleared it. Okay. So basically now in run start, all we do is set the scale. We need to grab the run data here. Oops. Oh, it's already there. Oops. Okay. So it has to exist. And it has to not be started. True. Started. And then grab the timer and set the scale to 1. Call the start event. Is that it? Is that everything? That's a big change. So it sits at 0, and so it'll make a little GUI pop up on the timer HUD, which I should really write, but I don't feel like it. And then use Rojo. No, it's a custom piece of software, but it performs the same function. So I should probably have some sort of official system for this, but whatever. Okay. Alright, I don't think I referenced any of that externally anymore. Raw run. Let's try it. Oh, I do it in run replication. I see. So it was going to be like a flagging thing. I intercept. What the H? I think I stopped using this. Run replication, submit event. I think I stopped using it. Yeah, I don't use it. Oh, I'm calling it. Wait. This is wrong. The code just runs and it just runs wrong. Whoops. This was my attempt at replication here for run events. Really, I should just not having. Oh, yeah, no, I just don't run it. Never mind. Okay. Yeah, I just don't have it. Oof. I'll probably think of a better way to do it, but like sheesh. All right, record. So I can have a special event called run prepare. And it'll be different than this. All right. And it does need to be different actually, so. So it starts recording when the run gets prepared. The timer does not have history at all. It can just throw everything out. Okay, this is kind of better code. Oh, I got a time notices anti-cheat. Time manager. Yeah, it's time manager. Timer manager. Oh, literally, it's okay. Cool. Anti-cheat. So I need an anti-cheat time notice. All right. So let's open the times. Control F, anti-cheat. Don't match the case. What the hell? There is. Was that? Is that the movement code? Did I just straight up call it from here? I probably just straight up call. Wait, what? Where did it? Where did the old game notice? What? How? Pass through. When did it tell you that you passed through an anti-cheat zone? Where's the code? I'm gonna have to search. Search. Where? Is there no search? What? What? Subscribe 2 months. Incredible. Streak. I don't have any notifications. How does the game... Wait. Can I... Oh, wait. Oh, no. How do I search this? Search. I guess I could, like, load up the branch or something. Would I delete? Oh, wait. I need to stash my changes. I don't know how to unstash. Okay. You have passed through an anti-cheat zone and your timer has been flagged. I'll just say this. You passed through an anti-cheat zone. Gosh. Okay, brain. My God. My brain said some bad words. So, well, tell him. Just like that. Okay. Okay, so now it should... I should make the... But I wasn't going to do that today. Okay, maybe I just should do it. Because, like, it's really cool. And it's, like, really cool. I don't want to do it. so I had like an idea. I need like a screenshot. I need like a screenshot so I can show you like my idea that I had for the game. Is this incomplete? Oops. Now you know my password. It's a pretty crazy password. Oh my gosh, I almost opened up Steam. Space Engineers dedicated server. I keep getting this additional permissions, better Twitch TV. I don't want to get like hacked. Oh, did I publish it? Right, I'll just run it and we'll see what happens. And I'll grab the GUI code. All right, so here we go. GUI scale 3. We'll get this in like HD here. I don't know why I'm doing it exact. Okay, and then we'll go to like MS Paint. What is that? So my idea was to separate this bottom part, and then you have like oh, I guess the top part should be separate too. How would that work? Oh, right. I thought of how to do it. So I could use this, and then you could have another time running at the same time. I was originally imagining it like over here, where it would say like auto hop and then mode equals the main map, and then mode is bonus. Maybe I would make the modes only show up if there's more than one. Oh no, if it's like not in the main map. I could also make it so that it pops up top. So I have like this, and then there's another one here when you start a new mode, and it says like fill. Is there fill? Solid color. So I can just do like this, and then I can do like this. So then the mode is like okay, That's not bad. So I knew like bonus. And then this is here. That kind of looks whack just sticking out though. I could also like stretch that. I could put little boxes around it to make it like this is the bonus time, this is the main time. Not sure. Oh, I gotta get that FPS unlocked. Oh, juicy. Uh-huh. Whoa! Why did it lag?